Like, have you ever hung out with a donkey before?
I've not.
What?
Hey everyone, I'm Amy and this is Design Roulette, a series where we do randomized design challenges. We also have a roulette wheel for extra added chaos. Whatever it lands on, we have to incorporate in our designs. Today, my guest is Inga Hampton.
Hey, I'm Inga and I'm super excited to be here and we're gonna make some cool stuff today, I think.
I am so excited.
Yeah.
Our brief is so silly and fun. We are working on a brand called Longears National Park, and it's entirely dedicated to donkey preservation. We will have to have a winner in this Design Roulette challenge. So we're going to have to go to the Longears National Park CEOs and have them pick their favorite.
Whoever wins.
Yeah, exactly. May the best diva win, but also...
It might be me.
It's... Well, let's spin the wheel and find out. Spinny, spin, spin, and it's gonna land on, and it's add a trail map.
I'm just gonna edit like the image that we already have with a prompt and see if we can come up with a trail map of that. So, can you make a trail map using this style for a poster?
And I'm going to prompt restyle this trail map using this brand identity. Incorporate donkey.
Almost ready. Oh, okay. All right. I'll start off with it and then I can use that as inspiration. Okay, I want to like edit this donkey so it's dancing.
From the cabin
make
to
this donkey dance.
Wait, you're making your donkeys dance?
Yeah, because it's the donkey disco. Like they're getting their like.
They
getting
deserve
their
to have fun
steps
too.
in. Yeah.
Wait, tell me about your donkeys. That's so crazy.
So I have two. Flo, who is a sassy diva, and Noel, who's a little bit shy, but he is named after Noel Gallagher because he has the coolest hair.
Queen, so
like,
cute.
So bloody cute. And oh my god,
so
this created the best dancing donkey ever. So when I use Figma, I am so chaotic. Like I literally make everything up as I go, and so far it seems to be working. Don't feel like there's no real defined way.
There are no rules.
There are no rules.
This is so cute. How did you make him dance?
I literally prompted the image of like this one here, down
That's
here.
so funny.
And I was like, I want it to dance on its back legs, and it's so fun. Like,
Wait, that's so funny. Can I make it nap?
oh, yeah.
Redraw this donkey illustration to nap. Wait, so cute. My
Did
little
it work?
sleepy guy.
Let me see. Oh.
Wait, that's so cute. So let's spin the wheel again and see what else we can design. So we have include wildlife companions.
Ooh, okay. They
What
have
are
a lot of
wildlife companions?
friends.
Friends?
Friends.
Wait, that's so sweet.
Okay, like, you know, it's like who you're gonna invite to the party. Bring the wild to the life.
Okay, so I'm gonna have, wait, what other animals are donkeys friends with?
Cats. They actually really like cats. They like birds. To us, donkeys are very inclusive. Bring the wild to the life.
This is so cute.
And then we're gonna do location.
Okay, this is so adorable. Hold on.
Location. If you know, you know.
Remove background.
Using this style, can you create a cat that is dancing?
Edit.
Like this party actually needs to happen.
I know. Wait, like I'm trying to go. Be an alternating.
I'm so impatient. I'm like, give me. Oh my god, that is the sassiest cat I've ever seen.
So let's spin the wheel again. And we need to make the donkey do something.
Okay.
That's our challenge.
Okay. Like, have you ever hung out with a donkey before?
I've not.
What?
I hope I can find the donkey disco. It says if you know, you know. But
Yeah.
I really don't know.
But you need to
I
get
to
some
know.
donkey pals
Exactly.
because like it'll
Wait,
change your life.
This is crazy. This is so funny.
It will change your life. I feel like I'm just gonna keep using the donkey as a reference.
Right.
Because
Into everything you're doing.
I just think it's kind of looks kind of alien. I like the centered eye going on there. Isn't this so cute? Like
It is so cute. And what did I want? Oh, I need to make this sleepy donkey eat
I'm like,
something.
what do you want when you're at like a rave?
A donkey rave?
A donkey rave.
What kind of liquids do donkeys enjoy? Do they like juice?
Just water. We could do like, like a shot girl only with like carrots.
Oh, yeah. That's so funny. Instead of bottle service, it's carrot service.
Yeah, it's carrot service. I want to create a wrist stamp of this same donkey on someone's wrist.
Oh, that's funny.
Like they are at the club. It's probably like, what do you even mean? Like, what? Why are you asking me these things?
Right. Like, why do you need this?
I don't think I've ever been asked to do a donkey stamp on a wrist. Oh my god, that is so cool. I feel like I need this. Like anyone that comes to my farm,
that's so fun. Wait, that's so iconic.
I want using the donkey to create a pair of sunglasses, and I want the shape of the glasses to be the donkey.
Wait, a donkey-shaped sunglasses is crazy.
Yeah. Oh my god. These I don't know where the arms are coming from.
That's so funny.
Or is that a tail? But like
Everything is everywhere.
I need these glasses.
Wait, let me see.
They are phenomenal.
That is so funny.
They are phenomenal.
That is so silly.
So this party's actually gonna happen
It's so funny.
at my farm. 100%. I am getting all this made. Flo is gonna be MC. Where is a donkey? Oh, I love your little tote bag. It has a carrot.
It has a little carrot.
That is so cute.
Isn't it funny? It's time to pitch to the CEOs of Longyear National Park. I think actually that we have a pretty interesting concept going with these back-to-back parties, and CEOs love efficiency.
We're gonna run through what we have here for the most legendary donkey party that you could ever be invited to.
And after party.
And after party. So I'm gonna invite you to the donkey disco. There is a map here, but there's no real location, and if you know, you know, and if you don't know, go chat to some donkeys and figure out, because it's kind of on you. But anyway, so yeah, I created a poster, and then I also created some media, if we're gonna put it on some socials, bring the wild to the life. And it's got all the companions there, there's cats, there's dogs, everyone's invited.
Everyone's invited.
And we need some merch, as people come in. It's more like a festival if you think about it. So we have our wrist stamps, we have sunglasses, because you need donkey sunglasses.
I think you just need them anyway.
Yeah, you do, like for photo ops and stuff. We have shot glasses for carrot juice. We have some like cool neon pins. We have a fan. A light up fan.
A light up fan.
Like that, I actually didn't expect that one.
Right. I'm also not sure how it works, but we don't need to have all the answers.
No.
We just need ideas.
And then we have my like inflatable thing that I made that probably needs a little bit more inflated, but we'll give it time.
A lot of this merch is can be reimagined for the next day. Perhaps our little donkey stamp gets us into the donkey daycare the next day. This is an interpretation of an eye mask based on the sunnies from the donkey.
But like, if you want to sleep in the sun, you need kind of both.
You need both.
Yeah.
Exactly. UV protection is still important even when your eyes are closed, I think. We got shot glasses for green juice. We have your little donkey tote bag for your little donkey.
He's eating a carrot.
He's eating a carrot. Perhaps that could be the little stickers you put on your produce. Carrot juice for you, and
nutrition.
Like
it's all there.
Yeah,
It's all
exactly.
there.
So CEOs of Longyear's National Park, we accept the promotion to become the CEOs.
We are we're taking the park. So you're
See
actually
you at the party.
Yeah. See you there. if you're invited.